Welcome back, students. So we are continuing the next topic is arguments, types of arguments in function. A function's arguments are one of its most important features. When a function is called, values of arguments are provided. The programmer can also specify optional argument with the default values in any function definition. So you know what is an argument and how can we use the arguments. In Python, the arguments can be classified into a number of types, that is, required arguments, keyword arguments, default arguments, and variable length arguments. These are the different arguments used in Python. So we can go through the first one, that is the required argument. Here, these are the arguments which are required to be passed at the time of function call. So, required arguments are a must that should be passed at the time of function calling. Then, next important point is that with the exact match of their positions in the function call and function definition. So, required arguments must be matched with the number of arguments and position. So, arguments, position and number should be matched in the required argument. If either of the argument is not provided in the function call or the position of the argument is changed, the Python interpreter will show the error. So, how will you define arguments in a function? When we call the function, we must obey the rules that is defined in the function definition. Is the number and the position should be matched in the function definition and a function call. If any argument is missing, then it is treated as an error. Required arguments are listed first in the function header. So, the position is first in the function header. And these are essential for the use of the function by any caller. Following the required arguments, we can have one or more default arguments or keyword arguments. So, one example for the required argument. Here, function name is func, argument is name. And the function definition contains the statement message equals hello is a constant term, string constant, and this is the plus operator, that is the concatenation operator, and name, that is the name, parameter name or argument name, then return message. So this function prints this constant term hello, and concatenation means combining this constant and this variable, that is the value we provided in the function call must be in the position of the print statement. And function call, in the function call, its name is here the name. Then we use the statement input. So we can provide the value through the keyboard. And print, here is the function called func and the name, that is the function name. So you can go through the output, render the name, that is the statement in the input statement, that is enter the name, and the value is ABCD. This ABCD is substituted in the name. The name is the argument. Then when we call the function, if you can see name, this name is passing through this function definition parameter, that is the parameter name, and message. Then here it is hello plus this name, that is ABCD. Here plus act as the concatenation, that is combining this constant and variable, and hello ABCD is stored in the message. Message is the variable. So hello ABCD, that is the value we provided in this name. So hello ABCD is stored in the message. Then return message, that is hello ABCD is print here. Here is another example. Function name is calc. It contains two arguments a and b. Then return a plus b is the statement. But when we call the function, we call it like calc, and only 10 is provided. That is, only one argument is in the function call, but in the function definition there is two arguments. So there is a mismatch of number of arguments in the function definition and the function call. So Python will treat it as an error. The reason is that the number of arguments should not match in the function call and the function definition. That is the required argument. So in required argument, the number of arguments and the position should be matched. Otherwise, Python will treat it as an error. This is the keyword argument. Python allows to call the function with the keyword argument. The name of the argument is treated as the keyword. The name in the function call and the definition are compared. The same match is found. The values of the arguments are copied in the function definition. This kind of function call will enable us to pass the arguments in the random order. So, name of the argument is treated as the keyword. Name in the function call and the definition are compared. Name in the function call and the definition are compared. The same match is found. The values of the arguments are copied to the function definition. Here is the example. We call with the name and the message as the keyword argument. In the function call, in the function definition, name comma message, then printing the message with the name and message. Then in the function call, we use it as name equals John and message equal to hello. So the output, in the output, printing message with the name, in the name position is John and in the message position hello. So we can substitute the values of name and message by name equal to some value and message equal to some value in the function call. Here name and message are the keyword argument. That these are the keyword arguments. In the function definition, we use the keyword arguments. In the function call, we can substitute the values for the two keywords, that is name equal to some value and message equal to some value. That is the keyword argument. It's an example for the keyword argument. Here is another example. Here also the keyword arguments are name and message, and a print statement is the same as name and message. But in the function call, we use message equal to hello is the first argument and name equal to John is the second argument. So here the order is different. That is, in the function definition we are using the order name and message, but in the function call we are using the order message and name. But there is no error. We obtain the output as print message with the John and hello. There is no difference in the output if even though the order is changed. Here is another example. Here also the arguments are name and message, the keyword argument. And the statement is print message with the name and message. And in the function call we are using message equal to hello and name equal to John. But here is an error, that is here the name NAM reply, and in the definition we use it as NAME. So there is a mismatch in the keyword. The output is an error. So here the name and message is the keyword argument, and there is a mismatch in the name field. The output is an error. Next is default argument. These are the arguments of values, the argument name to the argument name. When the function is called without this argument, the default values are automatically assigned to them. When the function is called with these argument, the default values are overridden by the caller's value. So we provide some value, the default values are override by the values we provided. Otherwise, the default values are assigned to them. By this, Python allows us to initialize the arguments at the function definition. If the value of any argument is not provided at the time of function call, then that argument is initialized with the value given in the definition. That is the default value. Here is an example. This function name is print me name comma age equal to 22. Then print my name is a keyword and the variable name. Next is another constant, that is, and age is, and the next argument is age. In the function call we use name equal to John. Function definition, two argument name and age equal to 22. In the function call we provide the value for John, and the output is name is here, name is John and age is 22. Variable name is a keyword argument. The variable age is not passed into the function. However, the default value of the age is considered. That is, this is the default value. This is the value we pass to the function. Next is print me name comma age equal to 22. And in the function call here, first function call name equal to John, and the second function call we use age equal to 10 and name equal to 9. So output first one is name equal to John and age equal to 22. Second output is name is David and age equal to 10. That is, while using functions that have default arguments, you must now provide the required arguments and place them in the same position as they are in the function definition header. The default argument that follow can be supplied in two ways. First one is by position and second is by keyword. In this case, the values are supplied in the order in which the arguments occur in the function header. Defaults are used for any arguments that are omitted. By keyword version, one or more values can be supplied in any order using the syntax key equal to value. That is, if we use the key equal to value